consequence. I got this, I will not quit. Man, I'm on it, honest, I'm gon' launch quick. Man, I'ma make it burn, I'ma make it burn. Let's go.
What's going on, everyone? It's Octane Red _392, and today we're going to be installing the ProClip phone holder. The ProClip that I have is for small to medium cases. So this is I want to say small case. It's not very bulky, as you can see, and this is how I currently have my phone when I'm riding. And of course, when I go to turn or something, it goes over there and it's off. I'm distracted. My previous phone case had a magnet that this went to, that I'm finally getting rid of this thing, because this was not sturdy. This is only as sturdy as this is, so it would move and everything like that. Now I have all my vents freed up. I can use my AC without worrying about if I have to use my heating my phone up. So without further ado, this is the holder itself. So I'm gonna go adjust this first. There's 4 screws in there, and as you can see, I have to make it wider. So you just pull it apart like so. And it goes back in just like that. So that's how it is in with my phone holder, or with my phone in the holder. Like, it's pretty. Alright. Now, once I have gotten my desired position, just tighten up the Phillips head here, which I'm gonna do off camera. Now, this is the bracket. So these two are sold separately because they actually have a bracket that you could put over your AC vent as well and have it sit like that if you want it closer to the steering wheel. But I got the one that goes over here, so it'll sit right here. Here's this piece, and this particular phone clip that I have, this setup, these two, it is compatible from the Dodge Charger 2011 to the 2018 Dodge Charger. So it's a gap opener, which I guess that's what this is. It's right here. Open the gap. So wants me to create a gap right here. There's a little piece of adhesive on the back. I'll pull off. that goes there. And then on the side, and do the same thing. Get out. All right. That's it on the side now. Right here, you have these points to attach your screws, so you can either have it up higher or lower. So what I'm gonna do is you have to take these out first. These two small screws that hold the backing plate that holds the phone. Two, just like so. Adjust myself a little bit. Starting to rain. All right, so now that you got those two screws out to hold that on, you're gonna now rotate. So you can make the adjustments. So this is how you make the adjustments. Make it stiff or loose. Come on up like that. So you have to take this off, this piece, so you have a clear view at the screws you need to put on through the 4 holes. I'm gonna go right here with mine. So, and the one that had your screws, in the bag that had your screws, I'm gonna start with one first. One, you want to be careful with these two. These smaller screws, they tend to strip easy. Just easing them in right now. still move it, so. There and there. So be careful with this part because the screws are barely, as soon as they start to tighten, they start to strip too. So just be mindful of that when you're putting these screws in. You can feel them in the back a little bit, so that lets me know that they're in there pretty well. Then you go back, put your adjustable mount back on. So this only goes in one way. This piece right here. You'll loosen this screw to make this loose. I just tighten there a little bit. So you see how I can move it very easily. It's not very secure. See how it's kind of stiff now? You can also adjust this while you have your backing plate on. Now put the plate back on. See, it's still kind of loose. And right there. Get in there. Just a few turns. You see, you can move it now. So if you want to orient it sideways with your phone in it, you can. This mount is pretty sturdy. So, like so. If I wanted to move it like that, watch a video or something, I can. Rotate it back up. I can leave it in that setting, or I can just tighten it down. Have yourself a little thumb screwdriver. When you keep it in your center console. Like that. And like that. There you go. So that is the install of the ProClip phone mount. I am using iPhone 11 Pro Max with a fairly slim phone case, and it also has a ring on the back, so it's actually a little bit thicker than normal for the slim cases, so it fits in there fine with this. I was kind of skeptical on if it would fit or not with the case I have, because I wasn't sure with the millimeters and the inches conversion chart, which I used on the internet and what they were saying, but I obviously read it wrong, because this fits, and it also has a little bit more room to fit an actual medium phone case, and it goes out pretty wide as well. So, and this is for medium to small phone cases, meaning if you have a medium to small phone with a case, it will fit in here, no problem. They also have, like I said earlier, one that goes over the vent, similar to this setup, but it just goes in right here. I personally don't like that, just because of my AC, or if I have heat, I have it on too long, it may heat the phone up. I didn't get that bracket to test that out. I got this one, and so, like I said, I'm already liking it. And me sitting over here in the passenger seat, it is not touching my leg. I can even do like this and rest my leg against it. I don't recommend doing that, but I mean, that's how sturdy the mount is. Now, putting your whole body weight on it, yeah, you could probably distort the mount, or make it, you could probably disrupt the mount from the placement that it's in, but you have to intentionally do that to make this mount loose or anything like that. But just sitting normally, legs extended, even if you're sitting up like this, use your hand to push your leg to the side like this, so you're not even touching the mount. It's fine. I'll do a review on this ProClip mount, which is made in Sweden, by the way. It's pretty sturdy. Even on the packaging it says device thickness 3 millimeters to 10 millimeters. So I got confused with that on the conversion chart. Also, width adjustment 80 millimeters to 94 millimeters. So this is actually made for the Pro Max and the XS Max Series 11 iPhone. They have different types of phones that can make the clips for, as well as iPads and airlift modules that sit right here. So when the driver's in the car, you just touch and lift from here, like so. So that's the install for the ProClip. Like I said, I'll be doing a update in a week to show you guys how liking it or disliking it, whatever it may be, we'll see. And that's it. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Later.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, here's some more videos you can check out. Before you do that though, hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell, so this way you're notified when we post out awesome new content. Go Jags!